We are so excited that we were the first group from Fallen Creek Camp to ride Gateway Trail System.
We're at the Pisgah National Forest in the Old Fort Gateway Trail System. It's been a wonderful day, and we can't wait to share this with Fallen Creek.
I think it's been the funnest ride so far during camp. It's super flowy and the uphills aren't that bad, but the downhills are really good.
Some of the uphills were kind of tough for me, but the downhills have been amazing.
It's actually a really fun trail, freshly built, a lot of good fresh jumps. It's really fun to do.
I liked how clean the trails are. I can tell that people worked hard on these trails and the jumps were awesome.
I'm Owain, I'm from Wales.
And I'm Alexander Ranulph, I'm from Cornwall.
This has definitely been the best trails I've been on so far.
We got to try out this trail a couple of weeks ago for adventure staff training, and this is our second time back, and now we feel a bit more confident. We're able to enjoy it so much more. Signposted really well. It feels like a whole network here, and you don't get lost at all.
Oh, definitely.
In the UK, apart from where Owen's from in Wales, we don't really get access to mountain biking trails like this. So the fact that a place like this is free of charge, you don't have to pay parking. It's even got nice loos in the car park. It's amazing to have these opportunities here. And I can probably speak for the both of us to say we're so grateful to be able to do this as a job. And it's going to make going back to the UK kind of hard because we will definitely miss these sort of trails.
I'm going to get very bored on the trails.
Come to Gateway, it's awesome.
Really fun.